The sheep that are my own, hear, and are listening to my voice, and I know them, and they follow me. And I give them eternal life, and they shall never lose it or perish throughout the ages. To all eternity they shall never by any means be destroyed, and no one is able to snatch them out of my hand. My Father, who has given them to me, is greater and mightier than all else, and no one is able to snatch them out of the Father's hand. I and the Father are one.
And the Lord shall be king over all the earth. In that day, the Lord shall be the only one worshipped, and his name the only one.
For I desire and delight in steadfast loyalty, faithfulness in the covenant relationship, rather than sacrifice, and in the knowledge of God more than burnt offerings.
We all experience times of testing, which is normal for every human being. But God will be faithful to you. He will screen and filter the severity, nature, and timing of every test or trial you face, so that you can bear it. And each test is an opportunity to trust Him more, for along with every trial, God has provided for you a way of escape that will bring you out of it victoriously.
Watch your words and be careful what you say, and you'll be surprised by how few troubles you'll have.